This is 106.1 KYVZ. Good Friday morning. Joe Vazurek visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, portions of the area received some very beneficial precipitation last night.
Yeah, Joe, we had some nice rainfall that came along with severe weather. So if you were able to dodge the hail balls, and then we had a couple isolated tornadoes, particularly the one by Bird City was on the ground for 2 or 3 minutes. And there is some footage of that, kind of a rope tornado, a small one. And then we've had reports of hail that range anywhere from golf ball, nickel size, all the way up to ping pong ball size. I saw some pictures of some stuff down in Logan County, the Russell Springs area, that definitely looked like it was up there to around that 3-inch in diameter size. As far as the rainfall goes, we had three bands of those severe storms. One went from the Burlington area, north and east through Cheyenne counties, then up into Hitchcock and Dundee. And then we had another one that developed to the north of Brewster, and then kind of moved northeast through parts of eastern Sherman, northern Thomas County, and southeastern Rollins County, just kind of clipping Atwood and places to the west towards McDonald on that one. And then another one that was in the Grinnell Grainfield area, and then moved northeast through eastern Sheridan County, and then up into Nebraska, into Arapahoe and Red Willow counties. There was reports of 1 to 3 inches along those bands, and they were all about probably 15, 20 miles wide. So everything in between those, we saw anywhere from a quarter and most generally a half inch. This was all pretty much north of I-70. So that is good rainfall. That is in areas that we needed it, but there also was that hail being reported in there. So that is not such good news. As far as today goes, we still got wraparound showers out in eastern Colorado. That's going to swing through here later this morning and into the early afternoon. They're getting a quarter to half-inch type rain still out there. It does look like it'll weaken, and we're probably looking at maybe a tenth to a quarter, maybe getting that 3500ths of additional rainfall on top of what we've already got out here. So that'll be nice. The other thing today is we're starting out with temperatures that are in upper 40s. We should see them climb into the middle 60s, and those northwest winds are going to pick up 20 to 40 miles per hour. So it's going to get pretty windy as that rain and upper level low move through here this morning and into the afternoon. Then we're going to look ahead to the next low pressure that comes out of the Four Corners region tomorrow afternoon and into Sunday. And that system looks like it's going to track through southeast Colorado tomorrow afternoon and then through central Kansas into Sunday morning. What that's going to do is put a rain back in our forecast, showers and thunderstorms. Severe storms does have areas along I-70, 34, and 36, pretty much the same areas from Yuma County to that Hays line and northward that could have a slight risk for severe weather. Don't expect tornadoes and anything enhanced. That line looks like it'll be from Hays to Dodge City and eastward, but we could see some hail again up there to that 1 inch in size, maybe some wind gusts to 60 miles per hour, but there is the potential tomorrow afternoon and evening for another round of weather. We could also predict about a half inch to an inch of additional rainfall, particularly on those 34 and 36 areas. You get down there to I-70, it could be just, and highways 40, we could be just a tenth, quarter, maybe up a little over a quarter towards a half inch as you go north and south. So more rain is coming. That's good news. We need it. And these are cutoff lows, so they're moving slow. We saw that yesterday afternoon and evening. Temperature-wise, it'll be in the mid-60s today and tomorrow. Lows in the lower 40s. Those winds tomorrow will turn to an east direction at 15 to 25, and Sunday to the northwest at 15 to 30. The temperatures on Sunday will be much cooler, the upper 50s and upper 30s for overnight lows. And then we look to Monday and next week, we got zonal flow, dry weather Monday, Tuesday, highs back into the 70s, could be tipping 80 on Wednesday. And then we got another cold front and disturbances to end the week. So showers and thunderstorms will be back in the forecast for Wednesday afternoon, Thursday, and Friday.
Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.